If you are thinking about giving up on manifesting your SP, you need to watch this video right now. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Before we get into the video, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you are currently manifesting your SP, I highly recommend for you to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course. This is a 14-week program that guides you step by step on manifesting your SP. If you would like a clear, structured course that tells you everything that you need to know, that literally guides, I am there with you, holding your hand as we do this together. This program has text, video, homework, and weekly affirmations to do until the end of the 14th week. And by the end of the 14th week, if done successfully and correctly, you will manifest your SP. To enroll, click the first link in the description box down below, or go on RitaKaminski.com and click the Manifest Your SP tab. If you would like to book one-on-one coaching, click the second link in the description box down below. This is where we have a one-on-one conversation where you tell me your specific situation, what you would like to manifest. I lay out a manifestation routine for you, a set of affirmations, or any type, and I will be guiding you personally through your process. You can literally ask me any question that you want, and these emails last forever, so you can use them whenever you want. You can also go on RitaKaminski.com and click that big book now button in the top right hand corner and follow the prompts as well. If you would like to join my collective coaching, click the join button right next to my name, or click the third link in the description box down below. This is where you ask me any question about the law of assumption. I feature it in the next upcoming members only video, answer your question directly to you, and also you will be helping hundreds of people through the process. You will also be seeing other people's situations. So you'll be learning about the law of assumption in a specific viewpoint, a specific perspective based on another person's situation. I absolutely love learning all things law of assumption. I'm telling you, learning about people's specific situations and answering to clients has helped me deepen my knowledge on the law of assumption. You can also click the third link in the description box down below if you cannot find the join button next to my name. If members only is not available in your country, you can join the Patreon link. That will be the fourth one in the description box down below. It will be the exact same program. In my robotic affirming daily routine video, which you can watch up here, I highly recommend it. The top comment was, "Your discipline is godly." To which I replied, if I know that's how I'm gonna get my manifestation, and I really want my manifestation, it's a no-brainer for me. This is exactly how I want you to treat your manifestation towards your SP, my love. You know how to do this. You know all of the facts. And I'm here to remind you that if you repeat yourself over and over again, and you persist in not just doing it for one day and giving up, but you persist until it happens, you will get your SP. If I know that I will get 1 million subscribers by constantly repeating to myself, I have 1 million subscribers, and truly knowing that in my heart of hearts, that I have that now and it's coming, it's on its way, I am going to keep repeating that over and over again. But I feel as though we need constant reminders that yes, repeating will get you results. You are not going crazy. You are not wasting your time. If you really want this person, and I know that you do, you will keep repeating your affirmations over and over again until that person shows up in your reality. Not you texting them showing up at your doorstep, or them calling you, or whatever form of communication you would prefer. Now, me personally, I'm Russian. He better be coming to my doorstep with flowers and an apology, and probably like $1 million. Some of y'all, I feel like, aren't lazy. Y'all are just not trusting in yourself and not trusting in the law of assumption. You might be thinking, what if I'm doing this wrong? You might be thinking, what if I'm wasting my time and this is all a bunch of BS? To which I say, you're not doing anything wrong, and this is not a bunch of BS. Every single person that has repeated and persisted in their manifestation, in not just affirming but simply knowing it into being in the state, acting as if, visualizing, scripting, satsing, whatever form of technique that you would like to use. They all got their manifestation. This stuff works, and to prove it, I want you to think back to a time where you have successfully manifested something, whether it is a free cup of coffee or anything else for that matter. You successfully manifested that. All of my client emails send me these success stories, and I find that y'all are brushing over your successes. I always tell my clients, let's celebrate this for a second here, because once we stabilize in ourselves, once we celebrate, once we recognize that, hey, I actually am a master manifester. Look at this thing that I manifested. Like, my clients literally manifest texts, calls, SPs running back to them, financial freedom. They manifest jobs, they manifest pregnancies, they manifest husbands. Like, it is amazing, but y'all are so much like me, where you get something and you're like, amazing, cool, now on to the next thing, which I love. But how about we just take a step back for 1 second and really appreciate ourselves? Like, look at what you did. And once you actually recognize that, you will be able to manifest anything you want. You will be actually unstoppable, because you'll be like, whoa, I literally just manifested a job. Like, I literally just manifested this guy texting me back tonight. That is not a small feat, and I want you to celebrate yourself, and I want you to recognize that you are a master manifester. If you haven't manifested successfully, I want you to try this. This is your homework for today. I want you to manifest a free smoothie or a free coffee. One of my clients, we did this exercise. He manifested a free smoothie, shout out to you. And his faith in law of assumption was restored. And most importantly, his faith in himself was restored. So pick a technique I suggest to affirm and keep repeating to yourself all day. I received a free coffee, or I received a free smoothie, or I received a free juice, or whatever it is. And come back to this video and watch it again in restored faith. So with that being said, you know that you can manifest anything that you want. So why are you giving up on the love of your life? Why are you giving up on someone that you're interested in? Why are you giving up on someone you want to hang out with, spend your time with, spend your life with? If this was my priority, I would repeat, persist, not giving a damn on the 3D, which is exactly what I'm doing with 1 million subscribers. Take it from me, a percentage of you have watched me grow from 30,000 subscribers to 100,000 subscribers to now almost 200,000 subscribers. This was within a short amount of time, because I kept on persisting. I didn't rely on just one technique. I did the techniques that suited me best in the chapter of my life that I was in the mood that I was in for the day. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that you know right now that you have it. And I don't give an F what is going on in my reality until I get those 1 million subscribers. I didn't give an F until I got the 100,000 subscribers. And my circumstances were, I guess, more concrete, because I was working a 9 to 5. I wasn't financially free yet. It doesn't matter where you are at in life. All that matters is that you keep your desire in your mind, knowing that you have it right now and it will come. Knowing that alone, that the fact of the matter is that if you repeat and persist, you will get your SP. So let's not give up, because we know the facts. And the fact is simply, if I repeat and persist in knowing that right now, the reality is, as a fact, as a goddamn concrete fact, I have my boyfriend now, my husband now, I got a snap from him, I got a text from him, whatever it is, you will receive that manifestation. If you're watching this video right now, I want you to know that you are doing everything correct. You always have been doing everything correct, and you always will be doing everything correct when it comes to manifestation. This is only true for the people that have watched this video at any point of time. My videos are timeless. I want you to keep coming back to this video every time you ask yourself, am I doing something wrong? Am I wasting my time? Because you're not doing anything wrong and you're not wasting your time. because all it is repeating and persisting in the knowing that you are with your SP or whatever desire you want with your SP. Could be marriage, could be going on dates, could be going to Barbados, could be getting married, having children, whatever it is. The world is your oyster. Someone commented on my video yesterday being like, I want these Nike sneakers, crying emoji. I'm like, you can manifest anything that you want. So no matter what the desire is, please just know this. We are in this moment recognizing, we know 100% that this manifestation is in our reality right now, just as real as you know that I have brunette hair. It is a fact that there are candles behind me right now, and as true as that statement is as true in your reality, in my reality, and in everyone's reality, that you have your manifestation with your SP. So you have to be the one that internalizes that. From that point on, we are reminding ourselves of that either as much as possible throughout the day, or whenever you think about the manifestation, or whenever you waver or you feel bad. The key is to repeat this throughout the day. That's why I say repeat, repeat, repeat. And then we are persisting, meaning we're not giving up on the third day. Never feel bad about how long it takes to manifest your desire, because the more you feel bad, the more you get resistance, the more you push it away. So you know it's like a paradox. You know that it's okay for it to take 3 years, okay? We're just telling our subconscious mind that so we can relax, okay? Once we're relaxed, it will literally come so instantly, but I don't want you to watch. I don't want you pocket watching your own subconscious mind, okay? And by pockets, I mean, hurry up, like, let's manifest this in our reality. I want you to give your subconscious mind grace. And once you do that, your subconscious mind will feel relaxed and it will just come into your reality, like right now, like I'm talking this second. So never give up on your manifestation, because you can literally be married by the end of the year, or you can literally go on a date, you can go to prom, you can go and have babies with this person, you can manifest a text from him, you can be best friends with them, you can have them in your lives forever, you can have the most wholesome, happiest, loving relationship that makes you feel so fulfilled and wholesome and understood, and you can have deep conversations throughout the night, you can go on all of these fun dates, you can explore each other's experiences and knowledge and personality and just go so deep in with this person. And relationships are so beautiful, so I want you to get excited about that with your person. Imagine that, know it into being, and I'm really excited for you. Let's relax and know that we are powerful. I love you all so much. Thank you everyone for watching. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because it's important for my channel and I know that you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.